Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something super different. I'm going to be singing while doing this makeup look. So if you guys just want to have fun and chill with me, let's get right into this video. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. Oh, yeah. I was told the true definition of a man was to never cry. But there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. This is my song, God. Not this. Be with you tonight. Butterflies inside alive. It's killing me softly with his song. And you wanna be free, so I let you fly. That you would be mine, just the joke was on me. Another nigga replacing me. God, this can't be happening. Angel, when I first saw you, I already knew. I know that I can count on you. So bad, make me feel so sad inside. I really don't like R. Kelly, but this song is fire. Somebody's gonna celebrate.
I know one thing's for sure. I'm gonna put on my dancing shoes.
There's a stranger in my house.
He wouldn't touch me like that, and he wouldn't treat me like you do.
But right now I don't care about that car. I bust the windows out your car. My name is Robin, I'm so very fly, oh my, it's a little bit scary. Mad cause I'm cuter than a girl that's with ya.
Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. World isn't better, can't get no love from me. I'm getting a little tired of your broken promises. Can you study hanging with the fellas, hanging with my girls, you always getting jealous. Drama, and now you flip the script, play a please. No, I'm not the one. Say it again, oh. No more, baby, I want you back. Can you pick up the phone? Cause I want you to mama come and say it's too late. The lights are on outside. Wish there was somewhere to hide. Hey boy, listen, you know I really like being with you. Just hanging out is fun. First base, because I feel you. Second base, want you to feel me too.
Alright, so that is it for this look. I honestly wasn't even planning on filming a video today. I didn't know this look was going to turn out this bomb today. I was literally just doing my makeup and I was listening to music and I was just like, why don't I just record this and just actually have like a real get ready with me? And like, we all listen to music, so I thought, why not put a little twist on it and make it funny? But I like the look that I came up with. I know you guys are probably going to ask me what lip I'm wearing. I put a black liner and then the Antique Velvet from MAC, and then I put this Evening Buzz purple lip right in the center, and then I just went over it with a clear gloss that I got from Lime Crime, the Wet Cherry collection. Everything else is the same. Highlighter still cute, Bretman Rock poppin'. The blush is is Patrick Star. Everything I'll link down below for you guys to check out. I also did a video like this, but not me getting ready, but me like a playlist of my favorite Christmas songs, and that season is coming again. But I did do one like something like this, similar to this, last year for the holidays. I'll link that up here if you guys want to go check that out. But that was original. That was my like, that video needs more views. You guys, like, go check that video out. If you haven't already officially joined the Taylor Tribe, make sure you click the link down below to get your Taylor Tribe merch. That helps me a lot, keeps your girl moving, striving, and feeling awesome that I'm making a change in the world. Not really, but you know. Yes. I like the way my eyes and everything came out. Again, I thought this would be a really fun video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and getting ready with me. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.